Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Once again, this is your AI acronym individual. Yesterday, I gave you the definitions of nouns. Today, I'm going to give you the kinds of nouns. And the acronym is proper PAC. PACC, proper, abstract, common, collective. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are names of specific person. They usually start specific person, animals, places, ideas, objects, things, and events. And they usually start with the capital letter. For example, name of person. Um, the no, Whitney Houston, Michael Jackson, and President Rodrigo Duterte, something like that. And abstract is a kind of noun that we cannot touch, we cannot hear. They are we cannot smell. They are mostly feelings and emotions like love, faith, peace, destiny. That is an example of an abstract noun. While common noun, of course, are the nouns that are not specific. Like for example, books, school, and they usually start with a small letter. Boy, girl, it's not specific. And collective, they are groups, like for example, family, couple, team, group, association. That is an example of a collective noun. Those are the four kinds of nouns. I will repeat the acronym PAC. PACC, proper, abstract, common, collective. So tomorrow I'm going to give you the gender of nouns. Actually, in nouns, you will learn the kinds of nouns, the gender of nouns, special nouns, and then there are seven rules, the seven major rules in forming the plural of nouns. Yesterday, I taught you already the meaning of nouns, papiote. Nouns are names of persons, animals, places, ideas, objects, things, and events. And they are very important because they serve as the subject of a sentence. Okay, so that's all. And good morning, everyone. Once again, this is your AI acronym individual. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. God bless us all. And thank you po sa nag-continue na subscribe. And salamat dun sa nag-add kay Ate Gigi. Attended Sunday Mass. So, nag-add po siya sa aking subscription. Thank you so much. Kahit konti kapag napadaan po ito sa inyong cellphone, may mapupulot at kapupulutan kayong kahit konting kaalaman. God bless us all!